this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Matplotlib or the Matplot library in your VS Code. So we will be using the pip or the pip to install Matplotlib. So the first thing you need to do is head on to your terminal, and in the terminal simply type in the following command. The command is pip install matplotlib. Once you have successfully typed in the following command, simply hit the enter button and wait for the process to begin. And here you can see that the installation has successfully started and various packages are being downloaded which are required for the Matplotlib. And once the downloading has been successfully completed, it will collect the packages, and after the collection, the verification, the Matplotlib will be successfully installed. And here you can see that after the process, we can see this message that successfully installed ContourPy version and Cycler as well as the other libraries, and with this we can say that the Matplotlib has been successfully installed into our system and is ready to use in our VS Code. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.